Hi, 7th grade. We are at week 13. It is hard to believe that we have made it this far. It is going by so quick. 2 more weeks till Thanksgiving break. This week we are going to be learning about the nervous, endocrine, and reproductive systems. That may sound like a lot, which it is 3 different systems, but we are going to give you a good overview of each system and how they function. Be sure that you complete your warm-up questions. Each day you're going to have a specific warm-up question. As you see, nothing is going to be unlocked until after you complete the previous assignment. So your first assignment is going to be your content notes and your videos. You're going to be taking your notes and watching videos over the nervous, endocrine, and reproductive systems. After that, you're going to have an exit ticket. And then you're going to see some other activities load after that exit ticket. Then you're going to see the nervous and endocrine close, just like we've seen in the previous modules. After that, you're going to see your muscular system Google Slides presentation. Remember, you're doing this over the previous week's system. That's why we put review. You're reviewing last week's system. And last week we studied the muscular system. After that, you are going to complete your assessment. And then remember, after your assessment, we have added in another activity. So just because you get to your assessment does not mean you're done. There is one more activity that you need to complete, and then you will see your optional activities, your social and emotional, as well as your brain breaks. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please email your teacher. We are here to help you. We don't want you to struggle. Have an awesome week.